Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Craftmas Day 3, and today's episode is a lot less frustrating than yesterday's episode. If you did miss that, I'll link them all below, a playlist, something, below in the description, so go check that out. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper snowflakes, and it's like the easiest thing to do in the world. You can do it with your kids and stuff like that. It's something you should have probably been kind of taught at school. But it's really simple, and it can be fun for your kids and stuff like that, so it is a nice little one. But all you're going to need is some paper and some scissors. So like I said, all you're going to need is some paper and scissors, and you're just going to cut a circle out. And this is just normal cartridge paper that you would use for your printer. Don't worry if it's not too neat. Get rid of that bit. And then all you need to do is fold it once in half, fold it a second time in half, and fold it a third time in half again. Okay? It's not too bad. So you'll have something that looks a bit like a pizza slice. And then what I like to do is cut the tip off, and I like to make kind of a jagged edge along here, and then you want to cut whatever shapes you want out of the side. So you can just do little triangles or circles or squares or something. You can do bigger ones, do kind of whatever it is you want, and you'll get the hang and you'll kind of figure out what it actually does when you open it up. So it's quite a symmetrical design once it's spread open. I'm not going to do this one tip good because I don't have the time, but you'll have something that looks like this, and then all you want to do is open it up. And then you'll have something that looks like that. And there you go, you've got a snowflake. And you can kind of play around with different papers, so you can use wrapping paper and do different designs. Some little parcel ones. Like this one looks quite nice there. Obviously you don't have to, when you cut the hole in, you'll get the hole there, and then you'll get the jagged bits around the side, and that's where you cut into the side bit. But you don't have to do them bits. It can be like this one. I haven't bothered cutting a hole in. I have cut around the sides. But this one, I've kind of cut a different pattern around the side as well. So you can kind of play around and get some really cool and different kind of techniques. And again, it'll be nice for your kids to do. You can stick these on the wall or on the windows, or you can make kind of like a garland thing with it. Just kind of hanging them from a piece of string. And what I'll do is I'll hang that on the tree behind us, so we've got that. But again, a really nice, simple, easy one that you can definitely do with your kids, or you can do on your own. You can be as creative or as uncreative as you like with it. Experiment with paper, colour, shape, pattern. But yeah, I'm assuming most of you probably already know how to do this. Like, I'm sure I got taught this in primary school of how to make them, and you might have a different kind of version of how you make them. But it's dead simple, dead easy, and probably is quite fun for the kids, or fun for adults, maybe. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed that one. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am doing 25 days of uploads, all the way up until Christmas. Yes, I'm uploading on Christmas Day. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of them. And the support is always appreciated. And I'll see you tomorrow for another riveting episode of Craftmas. Bye!